The newly installed of Eleleyi of Eleyi Sagamu Remo, Oba Olusola Ayobola Jayesimi, has reaffirmed his commitment to preserving the cultural heritage of Sagamu Remo Kingdom, improve standard of education among the youth, as well foster healthy relationship in his domain. Oba Olusola Jayesimi made his commitment during his formal presentation to the Akarigbo of Remo, Oba Babatunde Adewale Ajayi, in his palace Sagamu Remo. Fatima Hassan witnessed the ceremony and completes the report.
On arrival, Oba Olusola Ayobola Jayesimi was ushered into the palace of Akarigbo of Remoland, where he took an oath of office and allegiance and received prayers from the paramount ruler for his successful reign. Shortly after the oath, the Akarigbo of Remo, Oba Babatunde Adewale Ajayi, thereafter bestowed the new title, the new Eleleyi of Eleyi Sagamu Remo, Oba Olusola Ayobola Jayesimi, amidst pomp and pageantry. The newly installed Oba gave his deep understanding of the kingdom's rich traditions and culture, and reaffirmed his commitment to preserving the cultural heritage of Sagamu Remo Kingdom. Oba Olusola Ayobola Jayesimi said he is set to join hands with the Akarigbo and other traditional councils in the development of the ancient town.
The support I got from them, from both the family, the head of the family, the youth, the member of Eleyi community, and everybody, in the community. We have descendants, we have royal family there, we have people living with us there, and so everybody, they are so cooperative, there is no problem with them, and I'm very, very happy.
His wife, other dignitaries and well-wishers commended Akarigbo for the choice of Oba Olusola Ayobola Jayesimi and the title.
Today's event is very lovely, and we thank God. We appreciate all people from Remo Kingdom and our Royal Majesty Oba Babatunde Ajayi. We thank him. We all love it because we've been expecting these days since last year. So glory be to God today that it happens to be like this.
The symbolic event marked the formal recognition of Oba Olusola Ayobola Jayesimi's leadership role in Eleyi Kingdom. The atmosphere was also filled with excitement and a sense of hope for a brighter future. Thereafter, a reception was held in his honor where guests were entertained. From Sagamu Remo, Fatima Hassan, NT News.